Cedarville, Kansas. Today is another exciting day for the Mustang because I got in the mail from CJ Pony Parts this, and I'm going to install it today. We'll go ahead and get it out of the box and show you what it is. Ooh. It is a strut tower brace. This is supposed to, I'm showing it to you upside down, let's try that again. This thing's really pretty heavy duty. It's got some heft to it. But the idea behind the strut tower brace is it's supposed to stiffen up the suspension in the front to help it corner a little bit better, but I don't know, we'll see. I guess my main goal for this is just to kind of make the engine bay a little bit more pleasing to look at. The quality of it, it looks pretty good. Right off the bat, I can see a couple of imperfections in the finish. Here, here. I don't know if that's going to show up in the video or not. But anyway, so I'm going to install this. Let's get to it. So to install this, the only tools that you really need are a ratchet and a 13mm socket. I don't have a 13mm socket. What I do have is a 1/2 inch socket, which just so happens to be the exact same size as a 13mm. So to install this, you need to remove this nut, and the same two inboard nuts on the other strut tower brace, or on the other strut tower. So let's go ahead and get into it. Have all of my good tools at work. They're all snap-on. This is a Craftsman ratchet, and you know what? I don't like it. Okay, now it's time to actually set the strut tower brace in place. Just like that. Now, according to CJ Pony Parts, the torque value is supposed to be 26 foot-pounds. I don't have the proper torque wrench with me today, but I will check torque on these nuts as soon as I can. For right now, I'm just going to snug these nuts down and then give them about half of a grunt. And there it is. And the installation truly is that simple. And just like that, we're done. Thanks for watching. I don't know about you, but the stain feels better.